Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make a potato and egg curry with coconut. Really beautifully smooth, but still got a nice little kick to it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, so over here, I've got 400 ml or just under a pint of coconut milk. In there, I've got 3 cups of potatoes cut nice and small, and I've actually boiled them in a little bit of salt water. 4 boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, 1 cup of onion, couple of tablespoons of cilantro, a tablespoon of curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. Now again, always get lots of questions about this. If you can't get them fresh, try and get them dried. If you can't get them dried, nothing else replaces them. 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. Fresh chili, entirely up to you. Today I'm using curry powder, which is quite unusual for me. If you're regular to the show, you know that I use individual spices, but I've got this fantastic stuff that I bought in India recently. So if you want, go for the big 4 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, turmeric and chili, or use a curry powder like I'm using today. There's about 3 teaspoons there roughly. Okay, let's get moving. So just melting down some oil here. I'm using a coconut oil, 2 tablespoons there. Feel free to use a different oil for sure if you want. We're going to drop in those curry leaves, 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt, and on a fairly lively heat we're going to go for about 4 minutes or so. Beautiful. Next up we're going to add our 3 cups of potatoes. Like I say, cut them nice and small, cut them bigger if you want, and I boiled them. You can do this with raw potatoes if you wanted, just takes a bit longer to cook away. So we're going to go for about another 5 minutes here, staying on this vibrant heat. Get a little bit of colour on those potatoes. So a nice little bit of colour on the potatoes. Right, we're going to get it all together right now. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, in that goes, along with some fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. We're then going to add in our curry powder. We're going to give that a little mix. I'm going to drop in 4 hard-boiled eggs and 400 ml coconut milk. I'm going to turn the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. We're going to let this go for about 6 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, and that is beautiful, really beautiful, thickened up nicely. Check it for salt, it's going to be great for me. We're going to get a nice big handful of cilantro or coriander in there, whatever you call that. Give that a mix, and that's done. Let's plate that up. And there you go, really beautiful, nice and creamy, but still very spicy, you know, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.